Good morning, you guys. Today I'm finally making whipped coffee. So someone dropped me a few comments on social media and I figured why not try it out. So I got some instant coffee from the Starbucks line in the French roast. You're going to need sugar for this. I found a recipe here on the Tasty website. So it also calls for some hot water, 2 tablespoons. And a whisk, or you can use a electric mixer, but I don't have one of those. And I'm going to do it in a bowl. I don't know how this is going to work, but we shall see. So we need 2 tablespoons of every ingredient. I don't know, this is just a very interesting experience. Is this making 1 serving? Oh my god, it is. 2 tablespoons of sugar? The hell? That's a lot of sugar. I don't know about this, you guys. So 2 tablespoons of that. I'm gonna get my water hot. And then I guess maybe just 1 of these. I've never tried instant coffee before. I might have to use 2 of these. Yo, this is barely, are you sure? Is this correct? 2 tablespoons? Oh my god, I might use 3 of these. There's no way. I'm sorry. There's no way you need this much coffee. No way. Okay, I'm not doing another one because that's a lot. I don't understand. What type of hot? Is it boiling hot or is it just faucet hot? Ooh, that's kind of hot. Boom. Boom. This is what it looks like. Now I'm supposed to just whisk until it gets fluffy. And I'm doing it by hand, so this might take some time. I'm not really sure how long I'm supposed to do this. But it does smell pretty good. It smells like Starbucks. God bless my carpal tunnel. I don't know, guys. This isn't looking fluffy or light in color. Also just concerned that I just put 3 things of instant coffee. Am I supposed to drink all of this? It's getting a little bit thick, I think. So this is the consistency. I don't really know what's happening. I just know that I've maybe been doing this for, I don't know, a minute. But I have been seeing that you have to whisk it for a long time, especially by hand. So I'm just gonna keep at it for maybe another 5 minutes and I'll come back and let you guys know what's going on. But I feel like it's getting a little bit thick, or is it all in my head? I don't know. So I've just listened to No Guidance 1 time while I whip this, and it's getting thick. It's looking like a chocolate mousse. I think the trick is to just continue to just whip it back and forth as fast as you can. Obviously by hand this is gonna be a little bit more annoying, but I can see a lightening in the mixture than when we first started. So I think this is about halfway. I did not come this long whipping this freaking instant coffee for it to not be correctly done. So back to Drake. feel like this is it, right? Honestly, that's good. So it says to serve over ice and milk. So you already know, got the almond milk here. And I like a lot of milk. So that's how much I'm gonna do. And then for the whipped coffee, the tasty recipe did not say to use all of this, which was my concern, being that there was so much sugar, but it says to serve a dollop over a cup of milk with ice and stir, and then enjoy. Okay. A mess. Me? Hot mess, you guys. It looks like a macchiato. That's the vibes I'm getting from this. Okay, I'm definitely doing more than a dollop, but I mean, I do drink espresso on the reg, so it can't be that bad. I have to say, it does look really pretty and interesting. Like, how does coffee and sugar get thick and creamy? Oh my god, it is so like ASMR. Oh my god. Bro, okay, I think that's enough, right? It's just sitting on top. Definitely looks like a macchiato of some kind. Very cute. But I've got my metal straw here. If you guys are looking for my jars and my straws, they're up on my Amazon page, so definitely check that out. I'm not gonna stir it just yet, okay, because I want to take a picture of it and then we'll give it a taste test. Okay, you guys, sorry for the lighting. It's 7:44 in the morning right now, and I just made my whipped coffee. I think it turned out just like the photos that I've been seeing. Now listen, I don't have a TikTok, so I didn't know what whipped coffee was until you guys were asking me to make it and try it, and then I googled it. So I guess, I don't know, look at this, it's so thick, it's stuck to the straw. Let me just try it without stirring. Okay, also the coffee I got was a French roast, and it tastes really nice. Tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the cereal, mixed with the almond milk. All right, so a little bit of it kind of seeped down to the bottom. Hello, cutie. I don't know, I feel like if I mixed it all, it's just gonna ruin the vibes. But it's so thick in there. Oh my god, it's such a pretty drink. I probably whipped it, just listen to no guidance 3 times, and then that's how you'll know that it's whipped enough, okay? I just want to try. Ooh, it's bitter on its own. It's just an interesting flavor. Like, I don't know, it definitely is strong. So if you're like me and you love espressos and you can handle a little bit of that bitter, strong taste, then this is something that I think you guys will like. It's a little time consuming, but not really. Like, by the time you would get in your car, go to Starbucks, wait for your drink, pay for your drink, get in your drink, try your drink, you could have made this at home. And it was Starbucks brand. I just feel like I'm not getting enough of the whipped coffee. I just taste more milk with a hint of it. Also worries me, there's a lot of sugar in this, so I definitely can't have this every day. It's definitely strong when you get to the top. But I'm not mad. I would definitely make this again. this would be something fun to do on like a weekend. Yeah, it needs more milk, man. It's so strong when you get to the top. So let me know if you guys have tried whipped coffee. Is this something that you were making before it was popping over on TikTok? I know it has a proper name, but it's 7 in the morning and I'm blanking on it right now. I personally have never heard of this before. I've never tried something like this. I've never seen something like this before. So it's definitely an interesting concept and it's super bougie. Like this is something I would expect to see here in LA for like $15 a glass or something like insane like that. But this is good. I think I'm gonna add a little more milk to dilute it a little bit. But I'm gonna be sipping on this morning while I get my butt back into bed because I didn't want to do shit today. I didn't even want to be vlogging today, but I was like, oh girl, let's make that whipped coffee. So I think that it looks really pretty. It turned out really nice as well. And I got a nice thumbnail pic out of it. Look at that. Vibes. Oh my god, crazy. Wait. It's actually, now that I think about it, giving me espresso vibes because it is so like concentrated. But wow, I'm already halfway done with mine. I feel like I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls here in a minute, and that's okay. Maybe I'll actually do some work versus not doing anything but watching 90 Day Fiance because I'm currently obsessed. Yeah, man. It just doesn't taste like any other coffee I've ever had. That's why I'm just like, wait, what is that flavor? Like, I can't put my tongue on it. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be this good. But 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. Also, this jar and the straw just makes it look so cute. So go get some mason jars. I don't have regular drinking glasses in my house. I like to upcycle. My grandma will send me canned foods, so I'll just reuse them for drinkware and storage containers for pantry items like chia seeds and all that stuff. Oh my god. It's creamy at the bottom, like this was an experience for sure. Oh my god, thanks for coming to my coffee talk today. This hit. You see my mood just like transformed? Like I'm actually, bitch, I'm alive right now. I was just asleep, literally. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. Right, Libra? This was delicious, you guys. Try it out, you guys. Definitely worth it. I didn't have instant coffee before, so I don't think you can do this without instant coffee. So maybe go get some. I'll link the one I got from Amazon because I like the flavor. Maybe the French roast tasted a little extra delicious. So thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning, and we got to do a little DIY experiment today. I definitely recommend you guys try this out. Comment down below if you guys liked whipped coffee, if you made it just now, or if you're going to make it. Pop back in and let me know what you guys thought about it, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. I'm literally here every day. You guys see me looking busted like this every day. It's just a part of my routine now to just check in on you guys and make sure you guys are doing good, because reading your comments and responding to you guys is literally the only thing that is keeping me sane, because I don't feel so alone here by myself all day every day. I get to interact with so many amazing people here on YouTube, and also you guys that continue to follow me over on Instagram. So I'm actually probably gonna edit this video right now and post it for you guys, since it is early in the morning. So I will catch you guys in my next video, and I will see you guys then. Jesus. Bye guys.